Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another video. Today we're going to show you our acidic wheel cleaner. This is a professional strength acidic wheel cleaner, comes ready to use, so follow me and I'll show you what it's capable of. A powerful professional strength wheel cleaner that uses a special blend of acids and detergents to remove most stains from alloy wheels. It offers an effective way to remove brake dust, dirt and grime from factory finished alloys. When using acid-based products, we always advise wearing the appropriate PPE and working in a well-ventilated environment. Simply spray the product onto the wheel and agitate using an appropriate wheel brush. Heavily stained wheels may require the use of a stiffer brush and more than one application of product. Ensure that the wheel is rinsed thoroughly and all brushes are also rinsed with clean water. Then just stand back and admire the results. The acidic wheel cleaner is supplied in a ready-to-use 500ml or as a 5 litre concentrate format. Okay guys, so that's our acidic wheel cleaner. So don't forget, acidic wheel cleaner is designed to be used infrequently, so you shouldn't need to use this every week. Once you've cleaned the wheels to the standard that we have there, it's then easy to maintain it with another product such as bright gel or wheel and tyre cleaner. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the next video. For more information, please visit our website or come and see us in store. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe and let us know down in the comments what you would like to see in our next video.